In this video, I will show you how to create this very easy, colorful infographic for your PowerPoint presentation. First, you want to go to Insert in the ribbon and go to Shapes. Here, you choose the rectangle shape. Make it so that the rectangle spreads across the upper part of the slide. Use the red indication lines as your guide. Once you did this, you want to click on the rectangle, go to Shapes format in the ribbon, and change the width. Change it to 4.4 inches or about 11.1 centimeters. The height remains unchanged. You now want to copy this rectangle and paste them in all four corners of the slide. This leaves an open area where you will add two rectangles as well. The last two rectangles will need to have the width adjusted because they are a little bit too small. You then want to add the isosceles triangles. Go to Insert in Ribbon again and click on the Shapes tab. Select the isosceles triangle. And you want to resize them, spin them around a little bit and make sure they all point to the next rectangle, like shown on screen. You now want to customize and recolor your rectangles and isosceles triangles. You can Google a color palette or you can use the default one in PowerPoint. You then want to remove the outline for the shapes. You want to select all the shapes using Ctrl A on your keyboard and go to Shape Format in the ribbon. Go to Shape Outline and click on No Outline. This can cause some issues where some shapes are not at the right spot anymore. This does not always happen, but when it does, you can adjust them manually. The last thing you want to do before animating is adding the icons and the text. Go to Insert in the ribbon and click on Icons. Select the icons you want to add and customize them. Adding the text can be done by going to Insert in the ribbon and clicking on Text Box. I suggest grouping the icon and the text together so you can more easily center them. Copy and paste the group will speed up the process. And make sure all the icons and the text are at the right spot, as shown on screen. And now it's time to animate. The animations for this one are very easy. The only thing you want to do is selecting the icon and the text, or the group, and add an animation to it by going to the Animations tab in the ribbon. I added the animation compressed to it, but you can pick an animation that looks good in your PowerPoint presentation. At last, you want to open up the animation pane and select all the animations by holding the Shift key and right click any of them. Make sure you click on Start on Click. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.